Hey everybody, I'm Dana, and I am excited that you want to learn more about the Full Throttle Driving Academy Deep Drive series. Let's get the elephant out of the room. Yes, I have a shiner. Yes, I have a fully rebuilt shoulder. Thank you very much. Yes, it happened at a racetrack. Yes, I was driving darn fast that morning, if I do say so myself. And unfortunately, I made a stupid mistake outside of a car. It was not a car accident, but wanted to get that out of the way. So our deep drive series, first of all, you spend thousands of dollars on your car and in ways to perfect your car to get better track times. Why not spend a fraction of that on perfecting your own driving techniques that can apply to any track, anytime? We have a lot of different ways to help you improve your lap times. One of our more unique is called the Deep Drive series, where we go through a specific track and we talk about, of course, the optimal line. And I say, of course, because duh, anybody's going to cover the optimal line, right? We also have in-car videos from multiple vehicles, whether it's a Boxster Spec or a GT4 Club Sport. We've got multiple vehicles with the data showing in many cases. And then Brian takes you through annotations and voiceovers turn by turn through the track. So this turn-by-turn analysis, it blows my mind, really, the detail that Brian gets into. I have never seen anything like it. He will talk about the camber and the banking in corners, things that a lot of people aren't thinking about. He'll talk about track surface variations. He knows these tracks so well that he'll say, yeah, you go a little too far out here and it gets real gravelly. He'll talk about the variations to find out where you're going to get the most traction, because that's what it's all about, right? Talks about curbs. Which ones should you or can you run over versus which ones should you probably stay off of? Braking techniques. He talks about when to brake and how much to brake. And more importantly, get off the brakes. I can't tell you how many times Brian's been in car with me. It's the number one thing he says, get off the brakes. So he'll talk to you also about when to get off the brakes and when to get right back to full throttle. Basically, we're here to help you find your limits and to help you drive absolutely to the limit. You might have to exceed them every now and then to find and remember your limit, but I think you're really going to enjoy the level of detail in our Deep Drive series.